y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kadeja, and today I have such an exciting collage project for you. Come on in. Yes, we are making collage bookmarks. I'm so excited. I've had this idea in my head for quite some time. The things that you need. Of course, to make a collage, you need some magazines. You need any type of source material. I'm actually using a coffee table book. Don't come for me in the comments, but I definitely purchased the book just to cut up. And this one we're using Hip Hop at the End of the World, and all of the Amazon books in the link in the bio. My Amazon shop is filled with all types of tools that I'm using, but for now we're just sticking to the basics. I bought another pack of bookmarks from Amazon. They're tagged below as well, and it came with a whole ton of different colored tassels that we're going to use. I bought a laminating machine because I do want to laminate and protect each of these bookmarks that I'm going to sell and put on my shop. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's collage, let's vibe. Be sure to follow me, ask questions, all those things. I made a complete playlist with all of my collage art because I do a lot of different things on this channel, but I know a lot of you come to collage with me and vibe, so I have a playlist for y'all. I'll tag that below as well. Enough talking, let's get into it.
Something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and want myself. I cry. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. If you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. What you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be nonviolent till you ambush me.
All right, y'all. I know I didn't talk you through that, but I finished one bookmark. I like it. It's kind of cute. I think I like the other one a lot better, probably because I used a lot of black women's faces. But yeah, let's make one more. I'm gonna try to make one more. Let me know what you think about it. Let me scream at me in the comments when you see me doing something crazy. All right. All right, so now I'm going to stick my designs into this little lamination pouch right here. I can fit 2 bookmarks in here. And then I'm going to run it through the lamination machine and show y'all how it looks after. Alright y'all, so there we have it. I laminated them, put my little tassel on, as you can see. Hold on. As you can see, and we have 2 bookmarks. I am still going through it. It's a very different style just because the bookmarks are much smaller. Well, the collage is much smaller than what I'm used to, so I have to really focus. And then at the same time, like, since it's so small, I try to glue things down before I'm actually like satisfied with the placement. So a lot of things going on, a lot of things to figure out, but I am enjoying it. I'm enjoying the new medium and also the consolidation and challenging myself to think about the theme of the bookmark. Even though it's so small, I still wanted to convey a message. All right, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you're going to try to make a DIY bookmark, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.